Fine. I have one more question.
Please.
One class, you said something about some groups that bring the Torah into the women's section, and that was not a good thing. Did I get that correct?
Yes, yeah, no, you got it right. So all of the modern people, no, not all, I don't want to say all, but many modern people, they would go with the Torah and through the women's section. So when they take out the Torah and they would circle the women. So what is the problem? The problem is a big problem, it's a huge problem. So it says that when a Jewish woman has a period, so she's in state of Niddah. So it's like she's has all of this huge impurity, the biggest impurity, as the Talmud says. If she would look at the mirror is going to crack, or it's going to be like be not as clear. That's how much impure it is when she's in that state. You understand? And now if she's going to touch the Sefer Torah, and it says clearly, now Zohar, Shulchan Aruch says for women who is that period, don't look at the Sefer Torah. They take out, so look at the cedar, look at the window, look at your nails, look at, I don't know where we should look, but not at the Sefer Torah, because it could be, she can pass the spiritual damage. But now they would bring, and maybe other women, there is no problem. I mean, they're pure, right? And but girls until the age they married, maybe she's 30 years old. She's not married. She's Niddah. She's not allowed to go to the mikvah. So now everybody's touching the Torah, and she's going to touch the Torah. Guess what? So it's impurity to the Torah. So because she would, like everybody said, like, what? You're not touching, you're not going to kiss the Torah? Like you, what's wrong with you? Everybody kissing, you're not going to kiss. That's the problem, huge problem, right? And some women, they want the men to do good, but there is nobody who can explain that. They know, like, everybody trying to be so politically correct. I have a few people cry to me. It's unbelievable. They cry after my messages, after I explained all simple words, like that's halacha. They cry. She said, why nobody told me? Another lady, like, why nobody told? Why they do all these stupid excuses? I mean, when somebody tells you no in different variations, so you get somebody does not want to do anything with you. You understand? But instead of telling straightforward, I explained like 1, 2, 3. The lady was crying, unbelievable. Like she said, why people want to be this so politically correct? And it's not them. It's Shulchan Aruch says don't do it, so we don't do it. You understand? But of course, the Rabbi wants to be likable. How come you're not with the time of the world, right? The woman's right and the women different. This and we equal, we schmequal, all these things. Yeah, you understand? So that's and they. And then the whole community collapses. Guess what? Because of these clowns.
Thank you so much,
Larry. Yeah. So I mean that's but the second part of this Jewish woman is impure when she's in period, but when she's not, she's a pure. So she's the purest form ever. You understand? So she's holy when she's not in the state of Niddah. Right, and non-Jewish women, they don't have the spirit, so they always in one state. So meaning one state, whatever is it state. So that's why we don't bring the Torah on that level. And what in Europe, like in Sephardic countries, I think most of the Sephardic countries, so that the women's section was upstairs. So nobody's going to bring go outside, go up the stairs, bring them Torah. That's it. So it was like a logical separation without insulting anybody. So and it was no intermingling, like when everybody on the same level. And that's it. So.